In Alwar city hills, often something is visible on the hills, fort shape type. Everyone wants to know, after all, what is this thing which was built at such a height where no path was made to go there. So, just to know this thing, today I left my house to go to till the place from where spas probably start. We made an assumption that maybe it would start from here. To go to the hiking point of this fort, you will have to go to from Alwar towards Behrod Road, just before Hassan Khatiraya. You have to turn towards the left hand side. Then do not turn anywhere on this road. You have to go to till the end of this road. There will be two paths ahead. So you have to go toward slight right. And on this road, also I have walked very straight and straight. You will see a house made in white color, which is a temple of Kaila Devi. Its path starts from here. This is the hiking point to go to this fort. From here, such a path started, which was very difficult to track. But in the beginning, on this track, I had made such a mistake that I could not even reach this fort. So friend, I reached to the starting point of this fort, which name is Kale Kila. Actual name, I don't know what is the name of this fort, and this is the temple of Kaila Devi, where we park our scooty here. This is the area called Ganeshwadi in Alwar city. So let's go to this track. Come on. The way start from here, and I use this hiking pole because it is very needed for me. Dinesh, we have to go through these bushes. We have no option. You have see any way from here?
दिनेश कहीं रास्ता दिख रहा है? सीधा चढ़ना पड़ेगा. आजा.
Friends, this track is going to be very typical because it's having very steep height.
जब तक तो हमने किया है, और शायद समय भी हमको है ना बहुत ज़्यादा लगे इसमें. पत्थर ऐसे ही हैं दिनेश भाई, संभल के ही हो. आजा.
Buddy, you have seen any way? Actually, I don't know where to go. Look at everywhere. I think this way we have to incline. Or this way. Let's take a look there. If you can see the way. Okay, let's go from this way.
चलो.
Friends, this is the stone river, and you can see over there is a black type rocks. We have to go through there. There is a waterfall flowing in the rainy season, which is name is Buddh Vihar waterfall. So let's go through these stones.
मैं क्रॉस कर लूँ. हाँ भाई, प्लीज़ शूज़ ऐसे हों कि आप कर पाओ ट्रैकिंग प्रॉपर. हाँ.
Beer bottle had been thrown by some people here. It's converted into the pieces of glasses. I have to go carefully.
अभी तो बहुत रॉक क्लाइंबिंग करनी है भाई। हाँ, ट्रैकिंग भाई मैंने पीछे यहाँ पे देखो भाई, पानी स्टिल अभी भी है थोड़ा थोड़ा सा। हाँ, चैलेंजिंग, आधा रास्ता चढ़ चुका हूँ भाई। अरे यार, ये तो रॉक क्लाइंबिंग हो रही है, ट्रैकिंग तो छोड़ो, एक्सपीडिशंस हो रहे हैं यहाँ तो।
Brother, how could we get down from here? We have climbed here. Don't know how could we get down.
अभी और है क्या? हाँ, 0.5 में लेता रहियो। Okay, not so hard, buddy.
Oh, this road is very long, friend. Stone. Road is made of stone. We have to go this shudder and take the turn on this trail and go to the end of this trail. Then after, maybe this fort will come. It's very typical from here right now.
और लोकेशन वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा दोस्त।
Friends, this shudder has going to be end, and I have to going to this way. Maybe this way, because I really don't know the way where we have to go. Dinesh, I think this way is going to this fort.
ये चढ़ रहा है यार मेरे हिसाब से। हाँ नहीं, यहाँ में चले, कोई आगे देख आगे।
I asked the Dinesh, look at the forward. If you can see any way to reach this fort, please take a forward step. Can you see it? Can you see it the way? No? Okay, let's go from here. Maybe this is the right way.
यार कट रहा था तो यहीं से था यार रास्ता। आजा, यहीं से चलेंगे, आजा।
I can see the trail of rainy water. Maybe water came through this way. I think this is the right way. Come on.
कहाँ से चले यार? है गो भाई। हाँ, थोड़ा से झाड़ी आ रही है बस ये। आजा, यहाँ तक आजा बस।
Friends, finally I found the trail. I think this trail is going towards the forts. Maybe. But we have to follow this trail. We have no option. Don't know where it comes from, but I think this is the right trail.
पहाड़ पे से आ रही है। चलो 0.5। जब पास रहता हूँ तो 0.5 में लिया कर। आ जाओ, मिल को रास्ता तो।
Dinesh, even if leopard come na, don't turn off the camera. Don't turn off the camera. Don't worry, I will fight with him. Okay? How you can throw the camera, you can run away, but don't turn off the camera. Okay? Let's go.
वीडियो भाई।
Son, if leopard come na, we know that We both of you run away like a never run.
तो कर ही ना सके। और सबसे ब्यूटीफुल दृश्य।
We were walking, then I suddenly remembered something and wondered how this happened. Actually, we forget the water bottle, and we have nearly half an hour on this way, and we have to spend ahead 2 of hours. Too much hot day, and we have to survive on this day. Don't know how we survive on this track without water. Friends, we have reached to the plain surface, but we have to go to this trail and straight. Don't know how much far we have to go. We already spent 1 hour here, and still we don't know how we can reach through this fort.
तो 2 घंटे का ट्रैक बता रहे थे, लेकिन फिर भी देखते हैं कितना और कटता है यहाँ पे। ये परली साइड गांव है, डडीकर के पास। डडीकर है पहाड़ के पीछे भाई।
Bro, you can see this grass. This is the right place for hidden for leopard and tiger. If he hidden here, we actually don't know what happened. But we have to move forward towards the fort.
इसमें अब ये सूख गई है, तो सूखी भी खड़ी है, और इसमें जो ट्रेल बन रही है ना, उसमें से जा रहे हैं, गिरते हैं पड़ते हैं, कितनी बार तो गिर जाते हैं हम। ओहो, वन ऑफ द डेंजरस कांटों की पेड़। आय आय आय। ये तुम्हें को आवाज़ नहीं आई, नहीं तो मैं भी कर देता हूँ।
Friends, we can see this fort from a distance, but is not visible up close. Almost 1.5 hours on this track, and this fort is still invisible. See the fort. How far? Look from here. Every time I come closer, and it's seen too much far.
एक ही ऐसे दर्रों में से जा रही है। कौन सी जगह जाना चाहिए थे? इसमें जाना चाहिए, इसमें जाना चाहिए, यहाँ पे चल। इंकलाब जिंदाबाद। ये बंद चढ़ तो रही है।
Friends, look at this tree. You know what is this? The tree has been used for making vegetable in India and Rajasthan side.
अब कितनी दूर रह गया? आजा।
Still I can watch the fort is having 4 sand neighbors. Don't know how much far it is, but we are still trying to go over there.
आजा। हाँ, लग गई आज तो यार, पानी और नहीं है।
Friends, you can see the whole city which is called Alwar from this point, and the fort is still too much far from here. On this point of this track, I reached twice, but don't go further ahead of this point because of too much fog that time. Path is not visible, but today I choose the day that path is clearly visible, and I can move ahead towards this fort. Don't know how much time it still take because already 2 hours we pass on this track.
2.5 से 3 घंटे का ये ट्रैक है, तो समय से आना। आप अगर कभी आओ, बहुत ही समय से आना पड़ेगा भाई। और यहाँ तक बहुत कम लोग पहुँचेंगे, लेकिन बकरी वाले ज़रूर पहुँच गए होंगे यहाँ तक। और अब देखो, हम पहाड़ की ट्रेल ट्रेल पे चल रहे हैं।
So friends, I still there, standing on a rock and look at the fort. Still as look like before 1 hour ago. Don't know what's happening here. I tried every time to reach over there. It's more than 2 hours on this track, and you can see whole Alwar city of India, Rajasthan state. Let's take a break and watch this fort. What do you think? Can I reach over there? Or is still a mystery for me or everyone? So I don't give up. I need to walk again and again towards this fort.
भाई आज इस किले पे से राज उठेगा। न जाने कितने लोग इसको देख कर ये कहते हैं यार ये क्या है। दिखाएंगे आज आपको ये। मुझे अभी प्रतीत हो रहा है ये लगभग 500 साल पुराना।
The history of the fort is looking around 500 years old. It has been made by Alaul Khan, the father of the king Hasan Khan Mewati of Alwar city. That time it will made for the protection of Bala Killa. It's a soldier point where the soldier standing there and protect their fort.
ये भाई इतनी
It's a cow dung. So much height for living blue cow. Great. Let's move ahead towards this fort. Come, fort, come. Everyone is waiting. This path looks like an old way of this fort. You can see the stone how they arrange on this surface. Maybe it's the 500-year-old way go towards this fort. Let's go. We are very close this fort. Don't know how they make it on above these hills, which is a very high point of this Aravalli hills. Really don't know. Where the machine and techniques are very fewer that time.
समतल है पहाड़ पे यो जा रहा है ना।
Friends, finally I can see the fort. It's just a few steps away from here. So today the mystery of this fort is going to be revealed for the special Alwar city's person, which is in the state of Rajasthan, India. Don't know this is the old way to go this fort or there is another way. But yes, I reached there. I'm very excited to just touch this fort. Really very excited and want to see what is inside it. Can you imagine that? What is inside it? Let's go. Come closer to this fort.
कुछ क्षण और बस बिना पानी के पहुंच तो गए। आज बड़ी लगेगी। हाँ दिनेश, रास्ता कहाँ से है वो? दिख रहा है कि ये दिख रहा है गेट इधर है ना ऐसे।
Friends, finally, first just want to touch this. Yes. Let's move towards the gate of this fort. I'm very excited to see this.
वैसे तो कैमरा चालू रखियो भाई। हाँ यार मेरे को ऐसे लग रहा है ये रास्ता तो ये गेट तोड़ा गया है ना। ये टूट गया है रास्ता। यहाँ से भी है रास्ता।
So friends, this is the gate of this fort. The thickness of the wall of this fort is around 7 feet. Built very strong. But it's destroyed by the time. Look at this fort. how he make without lantern. There's no lantern for this roof. How to make it? The technique just awesome. Let's come inside this fort and look around this fort. It is closed between the four walls, very heavy four walls. And between this fort, there is a storage of water for rain. Here, the water from the rain has been stored. So, you can see that there is a hole in this tank. Some treasure hunting peoples destroying this, and how they survive when the soldier are standing there, they are just using this water.
नहीं है, सिर्फ चौकी है, इधर से रास्ता नहीं है देने। ये तो कमरा बना पड़ा था तो टूट गया। कमरा है ये सामने, इधर से आ। ओके, ये देख, यहाँ से अगर टूट गया तो नीचे जाओगे आप। दाएं तो हैं आ जा। ये चीज़ परेशान कर रही थी काफ़ी समय से, ये तो बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ है भाई।
So this is very small point. It's not a fort. It's a point that where soldier giving protection to Bala Killa of Alwar city, and you can see that there is something very old between these hills. Very old structure you can see from here. Don't know what is this, but it's a very old structure. You can't imagine how it come here and what he doing here. So I can see you something from here. You can see there is also a second point. This is also a soldier point where soldier give protection to Bala Fort, and this is third one. How? So you are imagine how they build these structure on the top of these hills.
बाला किला तो कैसे घेरा गया भाई इस जगह को। तो भाई ये जो पॉइंट दिख रहे हैं आपको, ये
Look at this point. This point is for war on enemies. When enemies come and fight for this fort, they are made on this fort everywhere, each direction to protect this fort. Every soldier is standing on every side of this fort. Don't know how much soldier, maybe 10 to 20. This is impossible to capture this fort.
ये पीछे की साइड भी दिखाई दे रहा है भाई, यहाँ तो खाई है सीधी और कुछ नहीं। तो वैसे तो इसको ना काला किला के नाम से पॉइंट कर रखा है, लेकिन इसको अपन ऐसे रख देंगे अलवर बुर्ज, अलवर सैन्य बुर्ज नंबर 1। वो 2 हो गया, वो किला हो गया, इस तरीके से अपडेट करेंगे।
You know what is the main things is? This is the room of this fort. Before many years ago, but the roof has been destroyed by the time, and this side also has been destroyed time. And this is the water storage, so you can live here. In ancient time you can drink here water using rainwater, and you can cook something from the forest to survive here. And you can see these holes are made for firing bullets in every direction. If you are looking bilkul, if you are in just before the fort, or if you are far from the forts, they are made like that according to the positions of the enemy. They fire from here. So it's time to end this vlog. How do you like it or not? Please reply with your comment. राम राम से सभी को। खम्मा गणिसा राजस्थान, मेरा देश मेरा भारत।
यहीं से बीन लिए होंगे, लेकिन मसाला लेके आना घोड़े खच्चरों से गजब। कारीगरों का शायद रोज़ आना जाना टिपिकल तो था। राम राम सा सभी को।
So today we reach to this fort. As we know, I tell you that this is the soldier check post for protecting the fort of this city, which name is Bala Killa. Bala Killa has been made in 16th century, made by Alaul Khan, the father of the king of Hassan Khan Mewati. This is the 4-point check post where each point soldier has been standing and protecting their fort in ancient time. Thank you so much watching this video till the end. I improve my English. I know my English is not good, but I'll try to best my English. If this video gets success, then I will made another video with a professional dubbing in my language. Thank you so much. Thank you so much supporting me. Thank you, US, America, India, all world.